Well, you notice, new kitchen. So I moved. Still got lots of stuff in boxes, still unpacking. But new kitchen, more work surface space. Get myself a nice big chopping board for on here. But also have a garden that needs a lot of work doing. But loads of space for outdoor cooking, and I'm gonna do some smoking, grilling, barbecuing, all that sort of stuff. More kitchen space. It's gonna be great. But you may have noticed I haven't uploaded anything in a while because I have no internet and I am not in a position where I can really film much. Got a few things I'm hoping to get edited and uploaded, but also that's been on me having internet and I have no internet. So I'm gonna quickly upload this short little video, just say like, I've disappeared, moved, taken a while to get everything sorted. It's been a bit of a faff. Currently have a hole in the roof because of the wind. So trying to get that sorted. Got the internet coming in a couple of weeks' time. Doing some garden bits. Shooting this on my phone because all my camera gear is currently still at my old place. I haven't had a chance to get that over here yet. So yeah. Bear with me. I'll be back soon. I've got another video that I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get up on the weekend that I shot before I moved. I might have a few bits and pieces I can edit and get up from the old place. But with a bit of luck, I'll be in here cooking up some new stuff in a nice new, naturally lit kitchen with loads of space and big dining room I can do stuff in. And like I said, outdoor stuff, barbecuing, grilling, campfire cooking, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, as soon as I can, as soon as I know, back to the regularly scheduled sort of stuff. But while you're waiting, go back, rewatch some of the old stuff, because I've got a few good ones in there, if I say so myself. Yeah. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing all right. Apart from my finger. Took the tip of my finger off with my nice new sharp knife. But yeah, we'll be in here cooking again soon, and I will see you when I see you. Be good. If you can't be good, be lucky, and I'll see you soon. Oi, oi.